Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert watermark only on first page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert watermark only the first page in this document. Go to the design menu, then click watermark option, then go to the custom watermark, then select the text watermark and write text on this text box. Then select the color red and check mark of the semi-transparent, then click OK. Now we can see here we insert watermark all page but not first page. We go to the first page last and go to layout menu, then click breaks drop down menu, then choose continuous. Then go to the insert menu and click header option, then choose blank header. Then click link to previous. Then click the watermark and delete. Then close header and footer. Then zoom out this document and we can see we insert watermark only first page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.